Well, greetings, peoples, folks, and space aliens. I'm on the left, going up. I'm going to do a couple of warm-up trails, and then I'm going to go check out that jump trail and Wildcat, and that'll be the highlight of my trip. Don't know if I'll do anything else. I see the big jump is still there. There's a lot of people here, though. So, sprung a leak, and now there's a new one, 7 Bridge Trail. So we're going to do this new trail. It's supposed to be green, so I'm not anticipating it's going to be too bad. Ooh, okay, cool. Yeah, they must have just put this in like not that long ago. I'm guessing you're 7 bridges, maybe? Oh, this is nice. This is really nice. I like it. Nice, easy flow. Not too many rocks. Yeah. Nice, easy. Easy. Danger. Trails merge. Wah! Trail merge. Crash. I don't know what that is. But okay. Rail ends. That is okay. They're right in line too. Yep. Lousy. The usual lousy. Nah, it's all right. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, these jumps are kind of sucky. But, oh yeah. Onward to Wild Thing. I'm gonna leave it on just because. Caution. Oh no, I didn't want to do this. You ding dong. That's not what I wanted to do. Whatever. That's gonna like send everything. Yeah, you too. Okay, so got a good look at Wildcat. It's kind of a severe looking roll drop. That isn't the new jump line, so I'm just gonna kind of go down this slowly and see what I think. Oh, I almost cleared it the first time. Nice. Wow. That's pretty big. Steep section ahead. Okay. Whoa. Okay. I could see doing that though. This is pretty sweet. Get your money's worth out of Spirit Mountain doing this. Okay. Yeah, these don't look too bad. Oh, and here's the look before you leave. Okay. Nice. Very nice. I'm casing just about everything, but my first time, so. Pretty sweet though. So far I like it. Very nice trail. This is what Spirit Mountain needed. Seriously. Trail crossing ahead. Wow. Yep. Wow. I'm not even close to clearing anything. I might have to do it a couple times before I get the speed. Whoa, that's a step down. That's a big table. These are some big jumps. Okay. And I'm okay with that. It's just like, holy crap. There we go. A little more speed. Oh boy. Okay, I'm not doing that. Oh, the gap drop. Nice. And that's the end. Ooh, ah! Okay, so this is my second on the jump trail. Let's see how I do. Yeah, easy. Easy peasy. Whoa! A little bit sloppy there. Nope. You can see here I ran the jump line several times, and I got a few of the medium and small jumps and so on and so forth, but I couldn't get myself up to going for the big jumps. I plan on hitting this again here this next year. I think I can get some of those big tables. Don't know if I can get them all, but as you'll see, I just kept running through the jump line several times. The other problem was I had left my GoPro on during the lift 2 times, and it wore my battery out too, so I didn't have a whole lot of battery either, so that kind of sucked. Okay, come on. Whoa! Yeah, those rollers after that are just not very. I'm wondering if this will be easier. Yeah, a little bit. I gotta send this. Send it. Yeah! That's the speed I need. Oh yeah! Okay, that's the key right there. And I'm gonna go back to the jump line. Oh! I slid out on that rut. Yeah! I'm not going fast enough. Then you have to get like a little bit of speed in here. Woo!